Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma NG3650. I want to show you how to connect this printer with your mobile phone via a wireless network. What you need to do is you need to go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Install it on your mobile phone, then open the app. This is Canon Print app. Put this aside. The next thing to do is go to the control panel, select stop button once, then select Wi-Fi button, press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The power light will highlight. Release the button, press the copy color once, then press the Wi-Fi button again, then release the button and wait. The Wi-Fi light will be highlighting intermittently. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. So the next thing to do is we're going to look for this printer on the app. Go to the phone settings, select connections, then select Wi-Fi. It will show you Canon IJ40697 NG3600 series. Select on it once, then you go back, Canon Print app, select on Canon Print app. Tell you please wait. So it's searching for the printer. And they found the network. The following network information is saved. Do you want to use it? Select yes. Communicating with the printer. Then wait for printer name to appear. Then select your printer. So the printer is found, NG3600 series. Select on it. Acquiring printer information. These are optionals. Then select OK. This is the printer. Printer is connected to a wireless network. If you look on the Wi-Fi, the light is steady and you can print documents. Select document print. Then you select documents. Then scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document. It's processing. This is 2-page document. Then you select next. Select OK. Then go to the settings. Select the size. The paper size as A4, media type, plain paper, same as original, and also 2-sided printing, long edge. Then go back. Then select print. This is the document we printed out 2-sided. So it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network and print out a document 2-sided to confirm that the printer is working. Thank you very much indeed.